ain't never had no food like this. You ain't never had no food like this. Shay Eats is where it is. Shay Eats is where it is. She cooked them chicken wings, them collard greens, them neck bones and oxtails with potato salad and baked beans with mac and cheese that'll make you scream. You know Shay in the zone. You know Shay in the zone. When it come down to the stove, man, you know Shay in the zone.
Hey, my video babies. How you guys doing today? Wow. Great, huh? I'm doing fabulous. So today what we're going to do, we're going to have dinner today. And what I cooked today was some roast beef. I put a little hot sauce on it, some chuck roast beef. And some mashed potatoes and gravy. I hope you guys can see it. Some mashed potatoes and gravy. And some garlic bread, the 3 cheeses. And corn on the cob with butter. So what we're going to do first is say our prayers. Okay? All right. Amen. All right. Also, I have some cold water. Now, wait a minute. Let me set this somewhere else. There we go. Now, tell me what you guys been doing today. I mean, really. I had so far a fabulous day. And I am very happy about that because usually, even sometimes in the morning time, I get up a little cranky, or sometimes in the evening time, I get a little cranky. But today has been fabulous. Now, let me take a bite of this roast. I have been waiting to taste it. Nice and tender. It's just falling apart. You probably can't see the 3 cheeses that's on there because it's like washed out or something. That's why I'm going into my husband. He getting my studio together. And we will be in there real soon. I cannot wait. It's good. Y'all gotta excuse me. I did not eat, so probably like go in on this. This is good. I see why my husband came back for seconds. A whole nother plate. I like. My hair trying to eat too. I ain't gonna, but it's not gonna work. Mm. Trying to hurry up and get some down because I get full so fast. Mm. Mm. Ooh, let's get in there, y'all. Trying to break it down. Mm. So good. Mm-mm. I know y'all didn't see that. I know you didn't. But it's okay. It's okay. Mm. Mm. Woo. Y'all, the tank filling up. Mm. Y'all didn't see that. Turn your head. Look the other way. Y'all didn't see that. I know you didn't. Okay. It's gonna be the last bite for me. Woo. Uh, Excuse me. Mm. Mm-mm. Got me sweating. Mm. Ooh, y'all. Can't handle no more. I had this bread left, a bite of that, a bite of that. Let's see if I can take, at least take some of this down. I'm gonna have to leave that bread alone though. Woo. Okay, that's it. Drop the mic. It's over. That was so good. Woo! I won't need nothing the rest of the night. I don't even want snacks tonight. So, that did it for me. But anyway, guys, again, I miss you guys. I'm glad you're here with me. The ones that's been following me, please continue to follow me. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for putting your trust in me. I'm going to get out some better content for you soon. Soon as my studio get ready. I pretty much need my own little space, you know what I'm saying? So when my husband be coming through doors or my son or whatever, they won't disturb me. So this is the end of me eating my meal. Again, you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And just come on and follow me. Just come on in, because I'm waiting for you. Deuces.